Hi guys, this is Usama and today we are going to review Nissan Juke, the SUV in a cheap price in the Kenya market. As we discussed, we are talking about 5 points in this 5 minutes video such as exterior, interior, price, availability of parts and the demand of the market. According to the price, you cannot find any car that compete with this Nissan Juke. Let's start our review. Let's start with the exterior. If we talk about the bonnet has wide range. You can see it gives you a proper SUV look. And talk about the main headlamps. You see it has a one big LED light, and the second is it has a side mirror side indicator built in inside. The grille, it has a main big logo of Nissan and with the cone style chrome. After this, you found there is a bumper. It's very beautiful and designed very well by the Nissan and put the headlamps in the main bumper. And below this, the main thing is it also has a two fog lights here down, and you can see there is a down grille and it's a plastic material that cover your muds and dust. If we talk about the tire, there is a side fender. After this, there is a plastic material cover for the muds and the dust from the road. And the tire given by the Nissan, it's 17 inch of tire, and this tire has 7.5 inch road clearance, and that is far beyond to the Kenyan road standard for crossing the beams and jump. Now we have a short look to the back exterior of this car. If we start with the first big upper spoiler is given by the company, the back tinted glass, and the main is the wiper is given here, and the logo is in between the trunk. If we talk about the light, is the main interesting thing in this car. You can see it's covered the trunk and the side fender as well. There is a Juke badge you can found here. And if we talk about the bumper has two material. First is the body, and the down is there is a plastic for saving the car from mud and dirt. And in between the bumper, you have found the spoiler as well. If we talk about the boot space, so it has a proper SUV boot space. You can put your two large or three medium bags. And if you want to increase your boot space, so here you can see you can straight the seat and you can put your more luggage. We have a look to the interior of this car. The steering is very simple, and only the logo is given in center of the steering. After this, you see there is no cruise control and there is no multimedia steering, so it's quite simple. Dashboard is pretty well managed by the Nissan, and it has a good shapes and curves. After this, there is a stereo with the LED, and down here you can find your AC modes, which air you want to use, and there is a very pretty simple AC buttons you are finding here, and here is the AC button, and if you found climate control you can use for both. The gear knob with the color of red wine and black combination, and this is the straight gear knob is given by the Nissan in that SUV. And here you found two cup holder, one handbrake. Here is the one compartment you found here, a big compartment given that. And if we talk about the seat is quite pretty simple, and the stuff is only a fabric. According to this dashboard and interior, this car will cost you cheap. Less features, the less price as well. Now we talk about the back seats. The room as per the SUV is very less. The leg room, the headroom is not quite comfortable. So if you have a big height, so you can be not adjustable, not comfortable in that seat. Bad impact from the company, and that's why the resale of this car is very slow. As you see, we have small reviewed of exterior, interior and the back trunk of this car. Two major things we have discussed. The third is parts availability. Nissan Juke has very less parts availability in the Kenya market and overall in the world. According to the competitor, this car has less demand. Nissan make this car in a cheap price, but it's not getting the market attraction. The last thing we are going to discuss about its price. The price is very economical. According to the SUV, you cannot find any SUV in that price. The price is around 1.2 million. Hope you like this car in that price. If you compare with the price, the car is very perfect. Now, if you like my review, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So comment us about your car, so we are going to review. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.